That one's cool, that one's easy, that one's clever, crafted into pieces. That one's sweet, that one dredges, that one's sour, served with lemon wedges. Even doubt can seem delicious, and it washes off of all the dirty dishes. When they're gone, I can smile. It's somewhere else in the world for a while. These stars are on display, and they can slice and serve my worries away. They can fix this, they can twist it into Gilda, Gabby, alley dreams. Never mind what's underneath it, I have done it before. I'll dream me a door to help me get through. I learned that from you, Gilda. It's amazing what dreaming can do. They make it up and surprise them. They tell all our secrets but disguise them. So they dance in the sky of the very creatures that their secrets from. That one's nice, but that one's better. Though better never lasts forever. They make it small so it fits. Even this, even now, even as the sky comes tumbling down, even as I can't stop remembering how every door we ever dreamed we never once walked out. Something I never got the chance to ask you about. So with stardust on my hands, I'll show them all how very happy I am. Gilda.